kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 3 of my video series on Wallpaper app using Firebase in Android Studio. Alright guys, so in this video we are going to create the JSON file, and then after we create the JSON file we will import it to the Firebase real-time database, and I will show you how to do that. And after that, in the end of the video we will be working on the model. Okay, so we will create a model class, and also we will be creating the view holder to hold the model. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, so here we create a new text file, and let's try to name change the type as, let's say, category background. Okay, because we need to create a JSON file of category different categories and their images, so we will be having two fields, the name and the image link. Okay, so first of all we need to click on let's say .json. Okay, so the JSON file is created, and let's try to open it. And after that we are going to create the JSON file. So first of all we can say, okay, so this will be the JSON object, it will be starting from there. And first of all, let's say we have category background, and here we will have, okay, so here we will be having, let's say, okay, so first of all we can say 01, the first category, and here we will have the image link, and then we will have name. First of all, let's say C, alright, and after that we will have let's say 02. Similarly, so here we will have first of all the image link, and then we will have the name, and let's say sky. Then then we will have the third category. So here we can simply say image link, the link will be here, and we can say set the name as animals. Similarly, for fourth category, so we can say image link. I will upload or copy the link later. So okay, so it is saying an error, and here we can say name. Let me check the different categories which we want in our application. You can specify as many as you want, okay, but only for to teach you, so I will be only be using 7 categories. So first this one will be cars, alright, and similarly we can copy that, okay, 4, and this will be 5, and the category name will be, let's say love. This one will be the sixth category and the name will be desert, and this one will be 7. So we will be using 7 categories. Okay, so it will be cartoons. Alright, that is it. We have the we have this JSON file which we will upload or import it into our Firebase. So let me open the Firebase and let's go to your database part, and let's see if we have successfully imported the data to our Firebase or not. Okay, so before that we want to add the image links here inside our image link. Okay, so how can we do that? I already have the 7 images, so let me show you. Here, okay, so these are the 7 images which I have for the different categories. Alright, so first of all I want to show you how to put the link here. So we will be using a website named as postimages.org. so basically it uploads the image and it return us the link of the images. Alright, so let's select first of all where is sky. This is the sky, so we upload the sky image. As you can see, this sky. Okay, sorry, okay, so in for sky there is the link, so we just need to copy the link and paste it here. Similarly for upload another image, and this one is, now we will be uploading the wallpaper image. So now we can copy the link and we can paste it here. Let's save it, and the next one is animal. So let's see where is the animal image. So here let's upload it and let's just copy the image and paste it here. The next one is cars, so let's try to upload, and there you go, you have the cars image link. The next one is love, so we can have upload the love image, and now just copy that and paste it here. The last one, okay, so there are 2 remaining, the desert and cartoon. So let's try to open the desert image and upload it and copy this. And the last one is cartoons. So upload it and let's try to copy the link and paste it here. Alright, now we have all the data, so now we can easily import it. So go to your Firebase real-time database, and inside here you need to click on import JSON, and you need to browse for the file where we have the file, and there you go, we have this file. Okay, so now click on import, and there you go, now you can see we have the category background as the root node. Then we have one, this is for sky. Alright, so we have all the data here. Alright, so now what we are going to do, now as you know that we have these two data. The first one is image link and the second one is name. So we need to now go to our Android Studio and create a model. So let's click on new and let's create a new package of name model. Click OK, and inside that model you need to create a Java class and you need to name the Java class as category item. So you can say category item. Alright, so there you will have the two variables. So first of all you can say public string image link and the second one is name, and then after that you can generate the constructor. So you can open it and also you can have a default empty constructor category item, and there you go. Okay, so now we have the model here of type category item. Now what we are going to do, okay, so let's try to have set the generate the getter and setter for both. I don't know if we will be using those methods or not, but still let's just generate. And now our model class is now finished. Okay, and after that we need to create the view holder which will hold this model. Okay, so before that let's try to create the package. So click on new package and here you can say category view holder. Okay, and inside that you can create the Java class and the Java class name will be the category view holder. Let's name. All right, and you need to extend it with recycler view holder. So we can say extends, sorry, recycler view dot view holder. Okay, and there it will say that there is no default constructor. So let's try to generate the constructor, and there you go. So now the error is removed. All right, so before okay, so let me first of all show you. Okay, so as you know that we will be having the image and the name as I show you here. Okay, image and the name. So for that we will have an image view and a text view. All right, so let's try to initialize public image view and also we need to initialize the text view. We need to now initialize them in our constructor. So we can, okay, so we will initialize them later. So first of all we need to create the layout resource file, and let's try to name it as layout category item. All right, now that what we are going to do, we will inflate this layout in our category view holder. So before that let's try to create this design file. So here we will be requiring, okay, sorry, the card view. We will be using the card view here, and first of all let's try to set it to let's try to set the width to wrap content, and then let's try to have the height as 120 dp, and also we need to have the elevation, card elevation, as 10 dp. And let's try to, okay, so inside our card view we will have a relative layout and it will be match parent, And inside our relative layout we will be specifying the image in the image view and the text view. So before we can say image view, and the image view width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. And after we specify the width and height, let's try to include the or set the ID as image view, and also let's try to have the scale type as center crop. Alright, similarly as we have the image view, now we need to specify the text view, and it will be similar match parent and wrap content. And we need to have the background as bf33. okay, and let's try to set the gravity to center, and let's try to set the text as, let's say, animals. Alright, after that we can say center in parent true, center horizontal true, and also we need to increase the text size to 22 sp, and let's try to change the text color to white. So for that we can say white, and let's at the last we can specify the ID as text view. Alright, so for our image view you can see that we will have this image view here. It will be the wrap, the height will be wrap content. So now that we already have the layout which we will inflate, so let's go back to our category view holder, and now we can initialize the first of all the image view. So we can say image view item view dot find view by ID, and we can easily say r dot id dot image view. Alright, so now it will say that there is an error, so you need to import the resource. Okay, so let's say if it contains yes. Alright, and after that we can also initialize our text view. So we can say text view equals to text view item view dot find view by ID r dot id dot text view. Alright, so now this is the view holder, and it is a very simple class. Alright, and okay, so after that what we are going to do, let's try to go to our main activity.xml, and inside that let's try to have the slide the recycler view match parent, and let's try to set the ID to recycler view. Alright guys, so I guess that is it for now. So let's stop, and we will continue the app tutorial in our next video. Till then, bye, goodbye, and Allah Hafiz.